Guys, Saving with Shay. I'm here for my Walmart weekend haul for you. As y'all know, I did my weekend bonus in my last video. So all I have today is the larger bonus, and for that I still need 30 for 10, so that's not gonna happen. But if you're new here though, real quick, if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this little face right here, I am Shay with the pals. If you take a second to subscribe, also make sure you smash that button to support your girl, and of course don't forget to hype your girl up. So listen, there's not a whole lot of deals that I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna try to just get in and get out, to be honest. I will be doing Walmart rewards as well as Ibotta. I'm gonna try a deal I saw posted. I've never done this before, but we're gonna try it and see if it works. I'm crossing my fingers that it works. If not, we could do it undo. We can undo it, right? We can always undo it. But I'm hoping that it works out. And so with that being said, we're gonna head in to Walmart right here. It's already hot, y'all. It's 87 degrees already, and it's not even 10 o'clock yet. Oh, really quick, I did write some notes. I wrote some notes I wanted to mention. Where's my notes? I wanted to mention that with Walmart Plus, if you have Walmart Plus, I just got this pop-up today where you get $25 off of an oil change once a year. So that's good, because you figure you get an oil change every quarter or every 3 months, so 4 times a year. So 1 out of 3 will be $25 off, depending on which one you get. And then I wanted to mention Flavor Wiki. Flavor Wiki hit us with some no purchase necessary surveys. I did put them up on my my community tab yesterday. It was 5 of them for $3 each, so we got an extra $15. I don't know, I wasn't even thinking. One of them I didn't get, so on, I think my account, I got 5 of them, and on Joseph's I only got 4. So working with $27 just from Flavor Wiki already before we even start. And then I did cash out for Be Frugal for $50, so I added the $5 like bonus that you get for waiting to this as well. So basically I'm starting off with like $32 already, which is awesome. And so hopefully I can make some deals work. Hopefully the deal that I want to try works. And with that being said, we're gonna head into what kind of awesome deals you can grab. I want to see what you can grab. Hit the like button. Keep on watching. Hype your girl. All right, y'all. So this first deal is on the chapstick singles. These are in the self-checkout aisle. I know one of you guys let me know this morning that there are some of the multi-packs that are on clearance. I didn't have any in stock at my store. But these are priced at $1.50. That's going to come to $4.50. You'll get back $4 for buying 3 on Ibotta or Walmart Rewards. And then we also have $4 on one of the sister apps. It'll make all 3 a $3.50 moneymaker. Now, we do have a printable. A lot of the printables don't really work for me here anymore, which is crazy because the Knox all work. And so if that scans, then obviously you'll pay 50 cents. You know what? I think I'm gonna try it for Ibotta and see if the coupon scans or not, and I'll let you guys know. Next up is the Mental Focus, the Pure Leaf. Our stores finally got it. Priced at $2.18. This is a freebie for both Walmart Rewards and Ibotta, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and grab some for Walmart Rewards as well. Probably stack this with a chapstick for each Walmart account. It's the Chip Ahoys. Now this is on the limited edition ones. There's one for the Toy Story one. It looks like they're priced at $4.97, getting back $3 on Ibotta will make that $1.97. And then there's one on the Churro, the red, white, and blue one, and the Dolce one. Those are $4.97 as well, getting back $3. I know I saw Danielle mention that she found some dollar coupons on some of the cookies and stuff. So definitely keep your eyes peeled for those. I did see a post. Someone got them at Safeway for $1.99. And with Ibotta and everything, it made them free. And so that's also an option. We don't have them at Vons. All right, so next up is the Red Barn Creamery Butter. It's priced at $4.48. These are kind of small, aren't they? Anyways, they're priced at $4.48. We have a free offer for Ripple Street. There's also $1.50 on Ibotta, making this a $1.50 moneymaker. I think I'm going to go ahead and grab one for my Ripple Street as well as Joseph's and use Walmart Rewards for his.
And so, yeah.
Next up is the finish, price at $4.82. $2 back on Ibotta makes it $2.82. It also works on this one here and this one here. Of course, if you still have the $3 Knox, it would then be a small money. Next up is the Palmolive. It is priced at $2.68. We've got 75 cents on Ibotta and 75 cents on one of the sister apps. It'll make that $1.18. So next up is the Glade Scent Flow. I'm gonna pop up who I saw post this deal. Now for this, we have a $6 printable. I'm hoping that it works. If it doesn't work, then I'm just gonna have to abort mission. All right, coupons.com. I just printed it this morning. It'll bring the total down to $5.98, getting back 6 on one of the sister apps. Hopefully she did. I'm hoping I do too. If I don't, then it's gonna be another abort mission and return to store. So I'll let you know how it works out. I don't think I've ever used a coupon and got back like a manufacturer type offer on one of the sister apps before, so we'll see how it works out. So next up is the Arm & Hammer toothpaste, priced at $3.98. We have a $1.50 printable from coupons.com. It's going to bring that down to $2.48, getting back $1.50 on Ibotta would make them 98 cents. I have a gazillion of these. This is another item for me that just does not sell. I do 3 for $5, and that's hard. And so this is a hard pass for me. Unless it was a moneymaker, then I'd get it, but it's not. I guess this is the last deal for this trip as well. It's on the dial. Now, the offer for this on the sister apps, it did go up to $4.50. So grabbing 2 of them, you'll pay $5.16. Getting back $4.50 on Swagbucks will make them 33 cents each. Now, I'm going to be patient and hope that it resets for us on checkout 51 Sunday morning. If it does, then it'll then make this a small money maker. Really quick, keep your eyes peeled for this one. I'll pop up a picture of what it looks like on clearance for $3.25. We have an offer on Ibotta for buy 2 get back $3.50. It would bring them down to $3 for 2 or $1.50 each. All right, y'all, hold the applause. Hold the applause. You don't have to do that. You don't have to do that. It's okay. It's okay. I'm just joking. My tiny ass baby ass haul. Look, it be like that sometimes. Like I said, I'm not stressing myself out for nothing. It's just not necessary. I really low key just want what's free. Because free is for me. What's even more so for me is money makers. So I didn't do a whole lot. Now I did go to Sprouts. There's a lot of freebies there. I haven't been there in a while. I think I'm down to like 2 Sprout bags because I was using them for my customers. And I should have grabbed some today when I was there, but I forgot. So the Be Love, the regular ones are $2.99. The protein ones are $3.99. We have a buy 1 get 1 free digital. Now for that offer for aisle, you can get up to 7. I only got 4 though. With that deal, they did change it, which was good. I wanted to do it, but previously you had to buy specific flavors. You had to do 7, and you had to take a picture of all 7 cans open. Like, who was the one that was responsible for that? Sitting around the headquarters at aisle headquarters, and you said, this is a good idea. Like, and they're carbonated. So who wants to open all 7 at one time? My thing was, I don't want to do it and I not send a picture of all 7 cans open and they'd be like, oh, that promotion's over with already. And I'd be stuck with 7 open cans and what, $25 in the hole? So that's why I didn't do it. So I'm happy that they changed it. Again, you can grab up to 7. I only grabbed 4 because we have a buy 1 get 1 free digital for each one. So the protein one, there's 1. The regular ones, there's 1. And so $2.99 for the regular, $3.99 for the protein ones. The total was like $13.96 minus digitals. You'll pay $6.98. You'll get that back through aisle, and then we have an offer for up to 3. You get back $3.50 on Fetch Reward. I did have to correct my receipts because the cheaper ones are not in their system, but I did get back the $10.50. So it makes all 4 a $10.50 moneymaker, which is really cool. And like I said, again, you can grab 7 if you want it, but I just did the 4. Other than that, what else? I did do the Glade. That coupon did scan. It kept picking up that smaller barcode on the coupon, so I had to fold it over. I think I need ink because I kept trying. It took a minute for it to take it, but it did scan. Let me find the receipt for that really quick. Okay, but it did scan. I scanned that first and it worked. And I submitted that on Tada. It's still in review, so I'll let y'all know if it works out or not. This will be my first, if it works out, this will be the first time. Because I think I've seen Danielle stack coupons with sister apps before, but I've never ever tried it. I've only used coupons with their regular offers, and I've never had a problem with that. So I'll let you know, pin a comment, let you know how that works out. Of course, I did the chapstick and the Pure Leaf 4 times on all 3 Walmart accounts, and then on Ibotta. Walmart rewards, perfect, got everything back. I know it's small, but look, I can't even complain, right? Because this was an awesome, awesome moneymaker. It's a small haul, but it was a nice, nice fat moneymaker. And so, didn't you see my receipts? I showed the one with the coupon. Oh, let me show you the one with Sprouts. Sprouts right there. 2 at $3.99 and 2 at $2.99 minus the 2 digitals. I paid $6.98 and got that back on aisles plus $10.50 on fetch. All right, so that was perfect. I don't think I have to show y'all the rest of the receipts because they're all the same. I did 3 different receipts for my Walmart accounts that I submitted to 3 different sister apps, and I just made sure that each receipt was a little different. One, I scanned the Pure Leaf first. One, I scanned the chapstick first. One, I scanned the, I think, chapstick, then the Pure Leaf, then the chapstick. So I just made sure they were all different so I didn't have any issues. And so other than that, y'all, everything you see here retails $61.62. I had $12.98 in coupons. It brought the out-of-pocket down to $48.64. And then we have the 27 from Flavor Wiki. Now, last time they offered us a survey like this, which was no purchase necessary. After you did it, it disappeared, but we still got credit. So I'm hoping everything works out. I'll let y'all know. I'll pin a comment, let you know how that works out as well. I don't expect that to hit until Monday, Tuesday, maybe even Wednesday. And so 27 from Flavor Wiki. Walmart Rewards $18.54, Fetch Reward $10.50. Tada is $10, Ripple Street $8.96, Ibotta $7.88, Aisle was $6.98, Be Frugal was $5, Inbox Dollars, Easy Bucks, and Swagbucks was $4, and that receipt already processed for the chapstick. The only one that's still pending is Tada, and I did the Glade with that on that app. So I'll let you know how that works out. So we walk away with a total of $106.86. It's going to make everything you see here for, say, $58.22 moneymaker, you guys. Like, that's why I said I can't complain. It's small. It's simple. I was literally in and out, all right? And I made almost 60 bucks. I'm going to sell them chapsticks. I just don't know how much to sell them for. I low-key want to sell the whole little pack. That's why I kept the box. I'm just thinking of how much I'm gonna price them for. But anyways, y'all, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button. In the comments, let's see some hearts if you make it to the end, and I will see you in the next video.